In this video, I'll show you how to download eFootball on your laptop. So I'll show you how to do it on a Windows laptop, as well as how you can do it on a MacBook. So first, if you are using Windows, just search for download eFootball and go to eFootball on Steam. Now for this, you will need to have Steam, so if you don't have it yet, just gonna click on play game right there, and then select either yes, Steam is installed if you already have it, or if you don't, click no, I need Steam, and from there gonna download Steam. Now you can also install it for MacBook, but they don't yet have an actual version for Apple yet, but there is a way you can go around this. So that way is to use something like Parallels, where you can run Windows on Mac, so you can see you just have a Windows section, which you can then also make full screen. And then you can from there just actually use Windows on a Mac. So from there you can then go to Steam and actually install it and install eFootball, and then you can also run it on a Mac. So that's basically how you can download eFootball on your laptop. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.